Hello, welcome to our webcast for RiskWire. My name is Eric Fox, Chief Economist at Veros Real Estate Solutions.
And I'm Reena Agrawal, Research Economist at Veros Real Estate Solutions.
So Reena, today we'd like to talk about housing inventory and stubbornly high prices. And in particular, inventory has been going up, yet prices aren't coming down. So what are your thoughts on what's going on, first of all, with inventory?
So yes, inventory has been going up since the end of last year. I think last year in December, inventory was less than 1 million homes that were available for sale. And in May of this year, there are around 1.28 million homes available for sale. And if you look at it in terms of month supply, currently there are 3.7 months worth of supply in the market. And last year it was more like 3 months supply. So yes, we are seeing an increase in inventory.
So it definitely seems like inventory is up about 25%. Now, normally, if inventory is up at those levels, in conjunction with higher mortgage interest rates, we would start to see some pressure on house prices, yet we're not. So why are house prices, in your opinion, remaining stubbornly high?
So the first thing is that sure, inventory is rising, but if you look at it from the perspective of historical levels, that is levels that existed before the pandemic, we see that inventory is way below that level. In 2020 and before that, there were almost 1.8 million, 2 million, more than 2 million homes available for sale. Month supply was more than 4. So right now what we are seeing is that homes available for sale are much lower than what you would see in a balanced market. In a balanced market, typically there are 5 to 6 months of homes available for sale. So another thing is that people are talking about stale inventory on the market, but it seems that a lot of these homes are not as desirable. They may not be desirable in terms of the price range, or they may not be desirable in terms of their location or the condition of the homes. So that is one factor which is keeping these homes longer on the market, because buyers want to get the maximum out of the money they are spending, because as it is, home prices are at the record levels. Mortgage rates are still very high. So also some sellers are kind of testing out the market. They're putting their homes on the market, and they're not being realistic about the asking prices in terms of what the current situation is in the housing market. So and some of these sellers are in no rush to sell their homes. They are waiting to get that price that they want, and if they're not able to sell their homes, they sometimes take their homes off the market, or they let that be. So that is why we are seeing that homes that are desirable are still competitive. So that is maintaining the prices, and inventory is going up, but it's still way below the balanced market level. So I think that's the reason why we are seeing this kind of demand-supply law not working out. Supply is going up, yet prices are staying stubbornly high.
That's a very interesting perspective. Thank you for your thoughts on that. And thank you for joining us. I'm Eric Fox.
And I'm Reena Agrawal. See you next time.